Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix FiveM texture loss. So before we start, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So first, these are the steps to possibly fix your texture loss on your FiveM. So first, what you can do is to delete your cache folder from your FiveM. So to do this, you can go to the FiveM folder and then application data and then completely delete the content of the on the cache folder. And the next what you can do is to make sure to always start FiveM fresh. So that means that don't go to a server. So go back to the main menu and go back to the server so it always starts from scratch. And then next in the settings, just set the quality to medium or high, not to very high. So as you can see here on this picture, just set the texture quality to high and not very high. So as you can see here, some of the settings are in a very high, so you can change them into high or even normal setting. And then again, and the next what you can do is to make sure that the FiveM are in their original condition. So that means uninstall any mods that you might think are causing the problem. So actually a lot of cars or citizens in one place can lead to crashes or this graphics problem. And then lastly, in general, it should be ensured that no graphic mods are installed. So after those steps, you should not have texture lost again. So that's it for this video, and remember, you can always pause this video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video will help you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.